Top strategies for effective health insurance lead generation. Using AI. AI is revolutionizing health insurance lead generation by analyzing vast data to identify high-value leads and enabling personalized outreach through predictive analytics. It automates repetitive tasks like email campaigns and follow-ups, speeding up the process while providing actionable insights to adjust campaigns in real time. This boosts lead quality, conversion rates, and overall efficiency. Best AI-powered strategies for health insurance lead generation. 1. Personalized marketing automation. AI-driven personalization transforms health insurance lead generation by analyzing data to precisely target and segment leads. It customizes content for different segments, optimizes delivery across channels, and adapts in real time to improve click-through rates, lead quality, and conversions. 2. Predictive analytics for better lead scoring. AI-driven predictive analytics enhances health insurance lead scoring by analyzing data to identify high-quality prospects. It builds comprehensive profiles, recognizes patterns, and dynamically updates lead scores, prioritizing leads with the highest conversion potential. 3. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chat tools in health insurance offer 24/7 support, instant responses, and personalized assistance using NLP. They can seamlessly transfer complex queries to human agents, ensuring efficient and effective customer service. 4. AI and email marketing campaigns. AI boosts health insurance email marketing by optimizing timing, personalizing content, and using predictive A/B testing to increase engagement and conversions. AnyBiz.io, the best tool for health insurance lead generation. AnyBiz.io enhances health insurance lead generation with AI automation, efficiently identifying and targeting ideal leads while personalizing outreach, allowing providers to focus on conversions. It personalizes marketing campaigns, prioritizes high-potential leads with predictive analytics, and engages prospects via AI chatbots. The platform automates email campaigns, meeting scheduling, and IP-based outreach, while boosting LinkedIn brand awareness. These features improve lead quality, efficiency, and ROI, helping providers focus on high-conversion prospects. Start your 7-day free trial today. Health insurance lead generation needs personalization, trust building, and compliance with laws like HIPAA. The competitive market and longer sales cycles require clear communication and targeted outreach. Remember to make your mark before you leave. Hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the game with our upcoming releases.